This guide provides step-by-step instructions on how to share Amazon Prime with friends and family. By following these steps, users can easily add others to their Prime account, allowing them to enjoy the benefits of Prime membership, including free 2-day shipping, streaming of movies and TV shows, and many more. So, first, navigate to www.amazon.com My Households. Then, log into the Amazon account that has the Prime membership. Once you do so, select whether you want to add an adult, teen, or child to the Amazon Prime account. Now, enter your friends or family members' names and email. Then click Continue to move to the next step. Now, review the terms of sharing your wallet and click Agree and Continue option available there. Choose which items of the family library you wish to share and click Continue. Then confirm your friends or family details and click Send Invite. And you are done. Your friends or family members should receive an email that allows them to join the Prime account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.